Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining measured milk, sugar, eggs, and corn flour. This sets your pudding's structure and sweetness. Whisk the egg and corn flour into a smooth slurry first, so you avoid lumps when milk is added. Heat milk gently until warm, do not boil, because high heat cooks eggs too fast. Once warm, temper the egg mix by adding a little hot milk while whisking. This prevents curdling and ensures a smooth, creamy base for the next steps. Once tempered, return the combined mixture to the saucepan and cook on low heat while whisking constantly. This control prevents lumps and overheating. As it thickens, you'll feel resistance. Stop when it coats the back of a spoon. That indicates correct gel formation from corn flour and egg. Make sure to skim any foam and remove from heat before peak thickening. Residual heat completes set. After removing, stir in vanilla and citrus zest for aroma, and strain. You now transfer the pudding to a shallow container and press cling film directly onto its surface. This prevents a skin forming and keeps texture consistent. Chill in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours until fully set. Cold improves firmness and flavor. When serving, add toppings like fresh fruit or cocoa powder. If something goes wrong and it curdles, don't panic. Reheat gently on low while whisking, or blitz briefly in a blender with a tablespoon of milk to restore creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.